First five, both teams. Both teams, hanggang first half na lang po yung change 5. Wala, hindi na magpapalit sa third.
Open set na ng third. Open set na tayo ng third quarter. Hanggang second quarter lang tayo may change 5.
Second quarter wala na. Rampa na kayo. Let's get ready to rumble.
Rebound by number 26. Number 15, pass to number 1, Galante. Nasa sa lalim, intercepted by number 62. Pass to number 26, malaksak, tinira, no good. Nakuha ulit na number 26, Pollard. 2 points by number 26. Number 15, pass to number 10 by number 26. Pass break. Save ball. Number 26. Pass to number 2 points by number 94. Bolate, dribbling the ball. Saving the play, pass to number 15 to number 26. First ball rep.
62.
Foul number 62. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 1 Volante for 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 18. Pass to number 94. Fake. Tira. Block by number 62. Put back by number 26. Number 15. Pass to number 26. Tira sa lalim sa number 9. Number 13. Tumulante. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 26. To number 62. Tinakas sa gilid sa number 94. Fake. Pull up. No good pero may foul. Foul number 1. Volante, first personal foul, first team foul. First one, the number 94, counted. Played by number 26, pass to number 15. Number 15 pull up. No good, dribble by number 26. Number 26, binawag ang bola sa malaksak, layup, 2 points. Tama. Number 15. Pass to number 1, Volante for 3, no good. Dribble by number 62. Still by number 1, Volante. Nakuha ni 26 pass to number 11-0 ang ating score. With time remaining 6 minutes and 56 seconds. the ball game. Number 15. Pass to number 26. Pull up, no good. Dribble by number 26. Number 56, nagmamadali. Layup. Basket count by number 26. Foul number 15. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw by number 26. Basket. Number 15. Nasa gitna sa number 16 to number 26. Pinalik sa number 1. Volante for 3. Airborne. Number 26. Pass to number 94. Intercept by number 26. Nakuha rin ni number 1 Volante. Pass to number 13. Libre. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 62. Pass to number 18. To number 62. Pinasa gilid sa number 94. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni number 16. Pass to number 1. Volante. Crossover. Sumalaksak. Layup. Block by number 62. Same ball. Number 1 for 3, short, rebound by number 26, pull up, no good pa rin, nakuha ni number 15, binalik sa number 1, Volante, crossover, nice pass sa ilalim, to number 26, put back by number 16, 2 points. Unang puntos ng Acme. Number 94 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 15, to number 1, Volante. Crossover. Kaya sa number 15. Number 15. No good. Put back by number 16. No good, pero may foul. Change 5. Foul number 18. First personal foul, second team foul. Goes through, no good. Second through, basket, palit. Number 11. Pass number 91, rebound by number 24. Still by number 11. Number 11, sumalaksak, no good, pero may foul. Foul number 20, first personal foul, third team foul. First through, basket. For 2 by number 11. Number 24. Binay sa number 20. Pull up. No good. Number 11. To number nakuha number 01, nakuha ni out of bounds, turnover. Number 24, dribbling the ball, pass to number 11, Gapate. Pinalik sa number 24. 14 seconds shot clock. Foul number 01, first personal foul, third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 24 to number 6, pull up. No good, pero may foul. Foul number 91, first personal foul, fourth team foul, warning for penalty. First throw, no good. Second throw, no good pa rin. Number 11, 2 points by number 11. Number 14 for 3, no good, rebound by number 2. May foul number 01. 91. Foul number 91, second personal foul, penalty rin. Penalty. First to basket. Two for the one, number 2. Number 11. 4-3, no good, rebound by number 2. Pass to number 24. Number 24, binababang bola, pinasa number 11, pinalik sa number 24, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 24, may sumabit. Foul number 01, second personal foul, penalty. First throw, no good. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 91 for 3. No good. Nakuha number 2. Pass to number 24. Number 24, dribbling the ball. No good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. Sumalaksak, coast to coast by number 11, basket count. Foul number 2, first personal foul, third team foul, warning for penalty. Bonus free throw by number 11. Number 24. Pass to number 6 to number 11 for 3. 2 points by number 11. Unang 3 points sa larong to by number 11. Rebound by number 24. Foul number out of bounds. Number 24 for 3, no good, rebound by number 2, pass to number 24. Number 24. Dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 24 pull up. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 24. To number 91. Nice pass pero wala. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound mid. Offensive rebound by number 24. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 24. Number 11 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 91. Pass to number 11. Number 11 goes to course. 2 points by number 11. 2 to 5 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Number 24 for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by number 20. 2 points. 15 seconds. Time remaining. Two balls by number 12. 3 seconds. End of the first quarter. Number 9. Nice pass sa ilalim. 2 points by number 13. Number 28. No good. 12 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 1, Volante. Pinaanas sa number 9, 2 points by number 9. Steal by number 1, Volante nagmamadali. Layup, 2 points by number 1, Volante. Baba sa pito ang kalamangan. Steal ulit number 28. Turnover. Time out. OSPS.
Sir, wala pa tayo sab.
Nasa lalim, intercept by number 13, nakuha ni number 2 points by number 94. Number 9 to number 26. 14 seconds to shoot. Turnover. Number 94 sa Malaksak. No good. Same ball. Thirteen seconds to shoot. Number 94 nakalusot. Blocked by number 13. 9. Nakuha ni number 1 Volante. Foul number 94. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 9 to number 26, kinasalanan sa number 13, fake, no good, pero may foul. Foul number 28, first personal foul, second team foul. First throw by number 13. Basket.
Hindi, naisama ko siya Sabado kasi hindi siya kumita ng Biyernes eh. Natay kinita ng Biyernes eh.
Number 15. To number 94, fake, pull up, no good. Give up by number 16, pass to number 1, Volante. Volante, dribbling the ball. Setting the play, pass to number 9. 12 seconds to shoot, finance to number 1, Volante for 3. Blank by number 15. Turnover. Number 28 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 26. Number 26, leaving the ball. Pinasa lalim to number 9. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 28. Still by number 26. Number 26, pinababang bola. Pinasa lalim sa number 13. Basket count by number 13. Foul number 77. First personal foul, third team foul. Baba sa 5 kalamangan ng OSPS. Bonus free throw by number 13. Basket. Number 28 to number 94. Fake, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 26. Number 26 to number 1, Volante. Sinubo sa ring. 2 points by number 1, Volante. Number 15 to number... Nice pass, pero wala. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 26. Eight seconds violation. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng mga naka-blue. Rebound by number 1, Volante. Pinabang bola. Sumalaksak. No good, pero may foul. Foul number 77. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Change 5. Change 5. Siwa mo number 11. Number 24. Sumalaksak na kalusot. Nergyo, Trevor by number 62. Pass to number 11. May sumabit. Foul number 15. Second personal foul. First team foul. Of shooting. 2 free throw by number 11. First throw. Basket. Two for two by number 11. Two points by number 2. Number 11. Pass to number 26. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Dribble by number 24. Pass to number 15. Grabo Bambola. Steal by number 26. Number 26 nagmamadali. Sumalaksak. Layup. No good. Pero may foul. Foul number 15. Third personal foul, second team foul. Tatlo ka na, number 15. First throw, basket. No good. Number 15, binabali ang bola. Pass to number 24, binalik sa number 15. To number 24, pull up, no good. Turnover. Number 26. 12 seconds to shoot. Layup. 2 points by number 26. Number 24, pass to number 15. Nice pass to number 20. 2 points by number 20. Number 26 for 3. 3 points by number 26. Number 15 to number 24. Binalik sa number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Dribble by number 11. Pass to number 26. Layup, no good. To number 62. Time out. Acme. Time remaining 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Back to the ball game. Number 15, taking the play. Pinahal sa kalaban, nakuha ng number 24, binalik sa number 15. Still the number 11 to number 26. Grabe, nilipad. 2 points by number 26. First foul, foul number 6, penalty. Number 6, first personal foul,
Ang ginawa.
penalty. No good. Ibang malapos to number 62, first to overs, 2 points by number 62. Number 15 to number 24, Team of Felix. Sinasalalang sa number 26, no good, rebound by number 62, pass to number 11, steal by number 15, pass to number 20, binalik sa number 15, to number 24 for 3, no good, rebound by number 11, pass to number 26, tumera ng 3, 3 points by number 26. Seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound on number 11. Pass to number 26. Libre. Uy, grabe yun. 2 points by number 26. 13 seconds. Time remaining. No good, dribble by number 18. Pass to number 26 ulit. Nice pass to number 262. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And the second quarter.
Sabi ka namin sir.
Gym ka muna dyan, oh.
Sarap dun eh. Sarap patulog.
Gym. Iwan ka muna dyan sa kaya. 100 pounds.
Napapak-papak para.
ka rin pala.
Napik nga. Napik. Kaya pala
Napik.
pick to. Napik. Sa tatayo lang eh.
Third ball, nakuha ni turnover. Two balls by number 1, Volante. Save ball. Number 94 ball 3, no good. Offensive labor by number 28. Foul by number 16. Number 16, first personal foul. First team foul. Two free throw by number 28.
Tinatanong niya kung technical daw.
Wala nang wala. Natanggal lang.
Dead lang. Two fouls by number
Kakatanggal lang natin. Sino ba yun?
number 94 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 13. Nakuha rin ang Volante. To number 15. Pass to number 1, Volante. Fake. Nice fake. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 91. Steal by number 1, Volante. Nice pass sa ilalim. 2 points by number 15.
Ano number ba yun?
Rebound by number 1, Volante. Libre, 2 points. Foul! OSPS. Yung may hugaw daw ko patanggal. Sino yun? Number 91.
Volante. Libre.
Stick na.
Oo. Sinebe o bumabaw mo. Kanina nga, dalawa lang. Ayun lang.
Okay, lolo.
Last ng electric pa rin.
Number 94. Pass to number 01. Nabitawan. Nakuha niya ulit. Binalik sa number 94. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 16. Foul number 28. Second personal foul. First team foul. Number 26, dribbling the ball. Setting the play, pass to Ramos. Ramos, pass to Volante. 10 seconds to shoot. Volante to number 16, pull up. 2 balls by number 16. Number 26. 13 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 94 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass ball to Volante, libre. 2 points by number 1, Volante. Number 26. Intercept by number 1, steal by number 1, layup, no good for my foul. Foul number 26, first personal foul, second team foul.
Mamaya sir, naibigay na. Pag pumasok pangalawa.
No good, rebound by number 26, pass to number 94. Number 94, layup, no good, nakuha ulit number 94. Pass to number 62, to number 11. Number 11, 10 seconds to shoot, binalik sa number 94, nakalusot, tumira, no good pa rin. Sabrep, same ball, 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 26. Number 26 nagmamadali. Pinaas sa number 1. Masyadong mababa. Third over. Number 11. Pass to number 62. Sinalik sa number 11. Foul by number 26.
Paul ba?
Sabrep.
Wala.
Wala.
Mansap sir. Kala mo na Paul.
Rebound by number 26 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 62. No good. By way foul. Foul number 2. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First two, no good. Number 1, Volante, dribbling the ball, intercept by number 26. Foul number 1, second personal foul, third team foul. Twelve seconds to shoot. Number 94, binali-bali, no good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 1, Volante. Nagmamadali, side step, 2 points by number 1. Pass to number 26. Lumipad, no good, pero may foul. Sabrep. Foul number 2. Number 2, third personal foul. Fourth team foul, warning for penalty. Tatlo ka na, number 2. First throw, basket.
Pag pumasok po. Pulang sir. Sir, pulang. Sir, usap lang. Mamaya din po.
Number 9, nakalusot, layup, no good. Rebound by number 62. Pass to number 26. Nice pass. 2 points by number 26. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng OSPS. Number 13 sa ilalim. 2 points by number 13. Number 11. Saving the play. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 94. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 11. Number 9, pass to number 30. Pinalik sa number 24, pass to number 9. 12 seconds to shoot. To number 13, pass to number 11 for 3. No good. Rebound to number 62. Pass to number 11, nagmamadali. Sumalaksak. No good. Put back by number 11. 2 points. Sabrek. Number 29, first personal foul, penalty.
Wala naman tayo 29 yan, pre.
Number 9. Number 9, oh. First pa lang.
Basket. Number 24, pass to number 16. Di nagkaintindihan. Turnover. Number 94, pull up. No good. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Put back by number 18, 2 points. Pass break to number 94, 2 points. Timeout, Akdi.
Mga ribaw. Masisahan. Gaganda ng ganito yung sa ano.
Back.
Dami na 20 kagad.
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 15, pull up. 2 points by number 15. Number 26, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 1, Volante. Volante dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24 to number 20. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 16. Sa ilalim. Blocked by number 18. Nakuha ulit ni number 16. No good. Rebound by number 18. Turnover.
Nasa na 18.
Tumakbo na siya eh.
Foul number 18. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Pag pumasok siya. Pag pumasok.
Play good. Number 92. Fake. Sumalaksak. No good. Nakuha din. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 1, Volante. Blocked by number 18. Sabrek. Number 15, pass to number 1, Volante for 3. 3 points for number 1. Number 94, Babawi, no good. Remember number 16. Pass to number 1, Volante. Volante, crossover, nakalusot, no good. Foul number 26. Sabrep. Number 26. Second personal foul, fourth team foul, warning for penalty. No good. Nakuha ni number 28, pass to number, still by number 26. Number 26, dribbling the ball, number 1 bola. Pinasa sa gitna sa number 16, nice pass, 2 points for number 16. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter. Babasa siya ang kalamangan ng OSPS. Back to the ball game, fourth and final quarter. Dito na magkakalaman kung sino ang mag-advance sa finals. Bukas ang ating finals. Ang mananalo dito, diretso sa finals. Number 30, pass to number 26. No good. Pick up the number, still the number is 26. 2 points for number 13. Same ball. Volante. 13 seconds to shoot. Tumero ng 3. Short. Liwang mo number 11. Number 11. Binabang ang bola. Nagmamadali. Cross to cross. 2 points by number 11. Number 15, pass to number 1, binalik sa number 15, Ramos, pull up, no good, Tribani. Foul number 13. Sub. Number 13, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 94 for 3, purple. Ibang by number 26. Masyadong mataas.
Oh, yan talaga yun.
Number 94 for 3, no good pa rin. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 28. Pass to number 94. Binalik sa number 28. No good. Rebound by number 94. Nakalaser. 2 points by number 94. Number 1, Volante. Balik sa 11 ang Kalamangan. 14 seconds to shoot. Volante to number 15 for 3. No good. Foul number 16. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Saan? Alcantara. Wala.
Number 94 for 3, no good pa rin. Rebound by number 24. Pinababa ang bola. Steal by number 62. Number 62, Lea, 2 points by number 62. Volante. Volante ulit. Sumalaksak. Lea, block by number 62. Pass to number 11 to number 18. 28. 2 points by number 28. Timeout. Active. Isa na lang ang timeout ng Active. Dalawa sa OSTS. Back to the ball game. Volante. Still ulit to number 62, pass to number 94, Leon, 2 points by number 94.
Sir,
14 seconds to shoot, Volante, pass to number 11, pinasa lalim, intercept by number 62, nakuha ni number 28, pass to number 94, steal by number 1, Volante. Pinababa ang bola. Crossover. Block by number 62. Sabrep. "14 seconds to shoot. Number 643 or ball, rebound by number 6, pass to number 28 to number 94. Fake, nagpasabit, no good, rebound by number 11, pass to number 6 to number 16, binalik kay Volante. Volante, tumero ng 3, no good. Put back by number 6, 2 points. Number 94. Tumira na tres. No good. Rebound by number 6, pass to number 13. Number 13. Nagpasabit. 2 points by number 16. 13. Nakuha ni number 6. Sumalaksak. 2 points by number 6. Pabasa labing isa ang kalamangan. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 62. Sumalaksak. Basket count by number 62. Sabrep. Samurai. Number 11 out.
Sinikap ako eh. 26 ata.
Number 6. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 6 sa ilalim. Layup. Ugat pa din. Number 11. Pass to number 94 for 3. No good. Binalik ulit sa number 94. Intercept by number 26. Nakuha ni number 1. Volante for 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 62. Last 3 minutes and 26 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 10. Number 94 for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by number 28. Binalik kay number 94. To number 11, 962. 2 points by number 62. Last 3 minutes. Nice pass sa ilalim pero wala ha. Rebound by number 62. Same ball. Timeout. OSPS. Back to the ball game. No good. Deliver by number 13. Pass to number 26. Basket count by number 26. Sabi
Ginagawa ko. Present ba?
Ito. Low. 11. Kaya 26.
Si Toby, pangalaman niya.
2 points for number 9. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Pabasa sa 10 ang kalamangan. Five seconds to shoot. Favorite. 5 seconds to shoot. Still the number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Still the number 16. Number 9 to number 20. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 3, no good. Rebound by number. Last 55 seconds. Last 14 seconds. Volante for 3. No good pa rin. Last 30 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot.
Ano ba second game kayo?
Last 12 seconds.
Game sila, final sila.
10. And the ball game, congratulations to SPS for advancing finals.